Summer's here, and the last thing you want is to be stuck in the kitchen all day. Get ready for high fiber meals that are light, satisfying, and won't weigh you down. We're kicking things off with a classic Greek salad, but with a twist. Crisp romaine lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers. Instead of bland croutons, we're adding protein-packed edamame. And for a final touch, crumbled pita chips on top, a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of oregano. Light, refreshing, and packed with fiber to keep you full. This salad is so good, it'll make you want to dance the sirtaki. Next up, we're making veggie burgers that are bursting with flavor and fiber. Starting with hearty chickpeas and oats, adding grated zucchini for moisture and sweetness. Form your patties and sear them on a hot griddle pan. Whip up a quick tahini ranch sauce. Serve on toasted whole grain buns with marinated cherry tomato salad. Delicious and packed with fiber to keep you satisfied. Even meat lovers won't miss the beef. It's Taco Tuesday and we're making healthy and delicious fish tacos. Fresh flaky fish seasoned with salt, pepper, and lime juice, then grilled. Whip up a quick jalapeno slaw for crunch and spice. Use whole wheat tortillas for extra fiber. Layer grilled fish, jalapeno slaw, and your favorite salsa. Serve with a side of canned black beans for fiber and protein. These tacos will have you saying hola to a new level of flavor. Chicken hummus bowls, your midweek meal prep hero. This dish is perfect for those busy midweek nights when you need something quick, healthy, and satisfying. It's hump day and we need a quick, nutrient-packed dinner. After a long day, the last thing you want is to spend hours in the kitchen. That's where our chicken hummus bowls come in. Enter our chicken hummus bowls. They are not only easy to make, but also packed with flavor and nutrition. Tender, juicy chicken broiled to perfection. The key is to marinate the chicken well and cook it just right to retain its juiciness. While the chicken is cooking, prep creamy hummus, chopped veggies, and warm pita bread. The hummus adds a rich, creamy texture, while the veggies provide a fresh crunch. Pile hummus, veggies, and chicken on each plate. Make sure to layer them nicely to get a bit of everything in each bite. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of sumac. This adds a final touch of flavor and makes the dish look even more appetizing. These bowls are delicious and versatile. You can enjoy them as a main course or even as a hearty lunch. Swap out the chicken for tofu, chickpeas, or falafel. This makes the dish perfect for vegetarians and those looking to switch things up. Get creative with your veggies. Add in your favorites like bell peppers, cucumbers, or even some roasted sweet potatoes for an extra twist. Marry Me Chickpeas, a vegetarian love affair. In this chapter, we dive deep into the world of chickpeas, a versatile and nutritious legume that can transform any dish into a hearty, satisfying meal. We're swapping out chicken for fiber-rich chickpeas in a creamy sun-dried tomato sauce. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and essential nutrients, making it a perfect choice for vegetarians and meat lovers alike. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and chili flakes in olive oil. The aroma of these ingredients cooking together will fill your kitchen with a mouth-watering scent that sets the stage for the rest of the dish. Add sun-dried tomatoes and let them sizzle. These tomatoes bring a rich, tangy flavor that perfectly complements the creamy sauce we're about to create. Introduce chickpeas for a hearty texture and nutty flavor. Chickpeas are the star of this dish, providing a satisfying bite and absorbing all the delicious flavors from the sauce. Pour in vegetable broth, season, and let it simmer until thickened. The broth adds depth to the sauce, making it rich and flavorful. Allowing it to simmer ensures that all the ingredients meld together beautifully. Toast whole wheat baguette slices for mopping up the sauce. These crunchy slices are perfect for soaking up every last bit of the creamy, savory sauce. You won't want to waste a single drop for this culinary masterpiece. Serve the chickpeas with the toasted baguette slices and enjoy a meal that's both comforting and nutritious. A true vegetarian love affair. Whole grain spaghetti with Italian turkey sausage. A light but satisfying finale. This dish is perfect for those who want a hearty meal without feeling too heavy. It's the end of the week and we're craving something comforting and easy. There's nothing better than gathering with loved ones and sharing a delicious meal that brings everyone together. Whole grain spaghetti with Italian turkey sausage is the answer. This dish combines the nutty flavor of whole grain pasta with the savory taste of Italian turkey sausage, creating a perfect balance. Get that pasta water boiling and salt it generously. Cook whole grain spaghetti until it's al dente, which means it should be firm to the bite. This ensures the pasta holds up well with the sauce. Crumble Italian turkey sausage into a skillet and saute until browned. Add chopped onions to bring sweetness and garlic for that aromatic touch. Then pour in crushed tomatoes to create a rich, flavorful base. Pour in white wine to deglaze the pan, which adds a subtle acidity and depth to the sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, and let it simmer until the flavors meld together beautifully. Toss cooked pasta with the sausage sauce, ensuring that every strand is coated. Add fresh arugula for a peppery bite and a burst of color. Mix everything together until well combined. Serve with a side of Caesar salad for a refreshing meal. The crispness of the salad complements the warm, hearty pasta, making it a well-rounded and satisfying dinner. Enjoy this light but fulfilling finale to your week. High fiber doesn't mean goodbye to flavor. 6 high fiber summer dinners that are quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. No more excuses for greasy takeout. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. These recipes are on the table in 30 minutes or less. Get in the kitchen and start cooking up a storm. Share your creations with us on social media. Eating healthy this summer just got easier and tastier. These high fiber recipes are packed with nutrients and flavor. No more excuses for unhealthy choices. Cooking nutritious meals doesn't have to be a chore. Get in the kitchen and show me what you've got. Subscribe to our channel for more quick and healthy meal ideas.